Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about request parameters and query parameters in APIs. If you have ever used a web service or API, you might have seen URLs like these. Both of these URLs are used to fetch user details, but they do it in different ways. One uses a request parameter or path parameter, and the other uses a query parameter. Let's break them down. Request parameters are part of URL itself. They define specific resources that we want to access. Let's say we have an API that gives us information about users. Here 123 is the user ID and it is passed inside the URL path. The API will use this ID to find the user and returns the details. And when to use this request parameters? When you need to access a specific resource like a user, product or quiz question, or when the parameter is essential for the request to work. Next we have query parameters. They are extra information added at the end of a URL using a question mark. They are used to filter or modify the response. Here ID is equal to 123 is a query parameter, which means we are asking the API to return the user with ID 123. And this query parameter always start with a question mark after the base URL. Multiple parameters are separated using AND. Here order doesn't matter and it is used when parameters are optional or filters. To summarize, request parameters are used inside the URL to access specific resources, while query parameters are used at the end of the URL to provide additional filters or options.